Oyibo Wife Association. This F2 couple now get married Oyibo business they do like to no so they get association for Oyibo wives. They get group where they put people who marry Oyibo. If you marry Oyibo, you call join their group. Now they hear say one of the Oyibo wife they do hookup for Lagos. Say some of them, not even one, say some of them they do hookup. You say the Oyibo man go marry them finish, carry they go stay for Lagos, or travel go where they come from. Maybe they'll call they find way for them to go join them. But then they do hook up for the Lagos so they leave their put. So now why some of them they marry Oyibo man because you know say traditional go hold on now, eh? Chai. So now they do hook up. She might feel so na marry Oyibo because of to escape poverty now, escape some kind of life. So Oyibo not fit take care of una. Now me una they do hook up. Una go marry poor Oyibo. Now they not fit maintain the lifestyle. Now they do hook up. Ha. Now wow. F2 they throw shade. What do they throw shade? You go come on live video. They teach people how to get Oyibo man. They teach people how to where you take see your own Oyibo. So even turn out to business safe. They collect money till they give people a app where they allegedly. Hi, oh the husband broke. And I'm gonna marry broke Oyibo. Hi, wasted marriage. Eh? So now just one fine children and make una marry the Oyibo. Oyibo will not get money to support on a lifestyle. Now don't they do hook up. Hi, allegedly sha. And then they hear say one of the Oyibo man want divorce one of the wives. Say don't catch one. Say they want divorce her now. So F2 call they throw shade for her. You don't need to throw shade, my dear. Tell us the person who be this Oyibo wife they want divorce. So tell us, give us gist. Ha! Oyibo Wives Association. Una don't get association no. Imiti wado. Oh wow. Association of Oyibo wife. Eh? This way.